So if you look out behind me, they are pouring the slabs in our foundation today. A nice sunny day today, a little bit windy, but tomorrow's supposed to rain, so they want to get these in today. They got to finish the flooring over the basement section, and then the walls are coming Monday. It's Friday, so we just got a couple days until those wall panels are coming, and they're going to start going up. So the team from Rare Forms spent the day today getting the slab and foundation prepped for the wall panels. They put a double row of 2x4s that are separated by the thickness of the panels. There'll be insulation in between those 2x4s. Panels will screw down onto those. So those 2x4s are bolted into the slab and also screwed into the portion of our foundation, or a portion of our house that has a basement below it, so that part is wood framed. But site is all prepped. Wall panels are getting here first thing in the morning, and they'll start going up tomorrow. So our wall panels have arrived. If you look behind me, you can see them all on site. So they're going to get ready to start putting these up today. Hopefully they can get a good majority of this done and get them tarped. We are expecting a little rain tonight and then a lot of rain the following day. So keeping our fingers crossed that we can keep these nice and weather tight. We're going to start assembling. First panel going in. So we got the first panel of the house going up behind me. Bracing it, getting it all nice and plumb. And they'll start building off of that.
You want to hook it? The strap? No, unhook it first.
So for a day that was supposed to be a washout, we got a lot of progress done. They got about 3/4 of the wall panels up. Garage is actually going up also. So progress is moving on. I think they'll have all the first floor panels up tomorrow, and then we'll start putting the trusses for the second floor. But it's looking good.
Like I said, get dangerously close. Then you know.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Most people know how higher he is, then you gotta show up.
So you can get a good look at the inside of the wall panels. These don't have the vapor moisture barrier on them, but these are our straw panels. They'll of course get covered up with a membrane like this on the inside, and there's a membrane getting wrapped around the outside. They'll get this all weather tight for tonight in case we get some more showers tonight, but yep. That's the inside of our walls. So that concludes the first week of framing on our new farmhouse. They have all of the straw panels installed. They have the vapor barrier on the inside and most of the outside done. But for all intents and purposes, it's fairly weather tight right now as far as protecting the straw panels. So next week they'll be coming in and doing the ceiling trusses, and then once that is on, they can do the roof trusses and they can do the gable ends with the straw panels, and then they can get this whole thing weather tight. It made a nice amount of progress this week, and actually the weather didn't too bad. It was looking like we were going to have a really heavy washout on Thursday last week, but the rain held off, and they were able to work all week long. So they've made great progress on the house, and see what happens next week. But next week we should have all our ceiling trusses on and plywood, and hopefully the start of the roof trusses. So getting close to getting weather tight. So we want to thank you for coming along on our farmhouse build project. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we certainly would appreciate subscribing. And if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. But as always, here on Sunnyside Farm, until next time, it's sunny today. Hope all your days are sunny side up.